So, welcome to Las Vegas, and today we again stay at WYNN Resort Hotel. And it's been a while when we first time check this new renovated room. So, let's check right now what they change, what they fix. So let's take a look around this room. First of all, they definitely fix this table. I don't see any stains anymore, and also they fix air condition, this ugly hole. So right now we have I don't see any inside air condition. So what else do we have here? This smart device. So right now you can control with this tablet, TV, light, you can order some food inside your room, even you can check your emails probably with this device. So I love this new innovation, but unfortunately we still have the simplest one USB charger, but we have it, yeah. And overall it's definitely, I feel much better right now in this new renovated room. So they fix this small, small fuck-ups, and yeah. So, and they install this smaller version of Alexa Echo. So right now, if you wanna use Alexa, the quality of the sound a little less. So yeah, I
can help you with that.
Better if you bring your own speaker to listen rich sound in your room. Yeah, and definitely right now in our room a full size king bed. So previous one has a smaller version. I don't know why, but yeah.
It was definitely a queen.
Yeah, it was definitely queen, but this one true king size bed. And let's check these glasses, because previous one, it's so dirty. And let's see right now. So this one is clean. So maybe they watch our video and fix these small details. So yeah, right now I feel more comfortable. And let's check this TV. Last time when I turn it, it's not fully turned to your yeah, right now it's 90 degrees. So yeah, the angle is perfect. You can watch TV in your bed without any wiggling your head. So our previous room had just two arts on this wall. Right now we have three, and I don't see here anymore ugly holes for some I don't know. So right now this side is perfect. If you wanna compare this room and the first one what we stay almost one year ago, yeah, it's almost 1 year ago, click here below this video link and compare between these rooms, this one and another one. So, and right now let's go and check the bathroom and let's see what changed inside this bathroom. So what's new in the bathroom? It's nothing it's the same ugly shelf for this stuff, and sometimes if you drop something it's hard to get it back. And also I see the towels, I think it's a little bit overused. Usually they have a fresh one, almost a brand new, but this one is it's dark white color. So I don't feel very comfortable to use these towels, because I don't know, I feel I feel it's overused. I don't remember exactly what kind of art we have in our previous bedroom, but definitely this one is more fitted to this bedroom. And yeah, the shower doesn't change as well, so it's exactly the same as the first one in 2005 they opened this hotel. have like two USB plugs and one regular plugs. So yeah, and like this like makeup mirror and separate restroom. Yeah, overall like looks good, but like this ugly shelf, and like I love the style of this like sink. It's like Royal 20, but you know it's a little bit like mismatched with the shower and bathtub. Ropes exactly the same as previous one, so we have two of them, and yeah, and here we have like some you know, like some like glove polish for shoes, but I don't see any like toothbrushes or like dental kit, like, so you have to request as the slippers because like no slippers here. Yeah, what do you think? How do you like this design or like the first design? Comment below. So, and now let's check the dusty places, and let's start from this like living area. It's a small one, and here we have like two dark chairs and this like leg rest, and I see here, I mean probably like a little greasy like this chair, another one as well, and here I see some like dirt, you know, like it's definitely not clean well, so let's move it. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. So yeah, here is clean. As I mentioned, like they fix this table, now it looks perfect, and here is clean. You see, and this chair is like perfectly clean. So there was a lot of dust under the trunk, this one. So let's check, and moment of truth. No dust anymore, cool. So, and right now, let's check this headboard. Yeah, the headboard is clean. See, oh, here is clean. Oh, I found it.
Where?
Look at this. Look, come here. Look at this. It's broken already. So probably the materials are cheaper because like I see some dents and scratches here. So yeah, it's like 1 year old of this renovation. So maybe we will check next year, and we probably go with suite, especially like for you guys get like this room, because like it's exactly the same room as we stayed before. So, and right now the moment of truth, let's check the yellow stain and let's see if it's clean. Oh no, it's thin. it's yellow inside. So let's remove this cover. Yeah, the mattress is clean.
Do you remember last time we had an expired mattress?
Oh, here.
It's expired again!
So like before you go to this bed, you have to check the mattress. If your mattress expire, you can use. It's dangerous for your house. So our mattress expire, we probably should request new mattress, because like we can't use. It's already done, overused. And also like I don't like this wiring, because like it looks very cheap, and also like I see some cords like under this nightstand. The view is the same, I love it. I love this new design, like Marina doesn't, but I love, and it feel more like, you know, you stay in your private bedroom in your house, because like the color of this like whole room, it's more like a brown, and I love it. And I love new art Picasso, so they fix a lot of bugs. So right now, I mean, like, this room is almost perfect. Yeah, we have clean glasses, we have clean table, we have fully articulated screen. We like we don't have like this ugly air conditioned halls, and we have true king bed. So WYNN, oh my gosh, we have like bad experience with checking in. So like the service here is worse and worse and worse every year. They did a lot of renovation in lobby. We have right now the new coffee place. Also we have like new gift shops, and we have new show. And we have like new art installation. No flowers. We have cute bare instead flowers. So it's probably the biggest changes in this hotel. It's like this flower installation, because I think it's stay here like forever. But right now we have new bear. So yeah. Good morning. The expert mattress is good, but the pillows, it's horrible. It's too firm, and you know, like it's like too big for me. So yeah, my neck is hurt right now. No more feather pillow, only synthetic, and it's horrible. So yeah, I don't like it. Before, like, they used feather pillow only, and right now only synthetic. So yeah, but the best what you can get here is a view. So overall, WYNN got a lot of changes. New installation with Bear. We have like instead like TV controller or like, you know, or phone, we have like this iPad. So right now like you can control everything. And yeah, if you like our review in our channel, subscribe, and see you next time.